Today, let's look at how to stop worrying and start solving. While worrying is a natural reaction to the external stress we face every day, but it has this ability to overwhelm us through anxiety and uncertainty. What we will look today is at a simple technique which will help us break the cycle and get out of worrying to taking action. Let's jump in. The first step towards getting out of this worrying cycle is to identify the source of your worry. Is this worry work related, a relationship problem, or a health concern, or something else? The important thing is, once you identify the source, please write it down. Writing down gives a lot of clarity and perspective. So the first step, identify the source of your worry. Now that you have identified the source of your stress, the second step is to calm your mind. And for that, there is this very simple breathing technique. Take a full breath of air in and very slowly exhale out. Deep breath in. Deep breath, fill your lungs with oxygen, hold it, and slowly exhale your worries and anxieties. Do it 3 to 5 times and you will immediately see a change in the way your body feels, the calmness, your muscles relax. Let's move to step 3. In this step, I'm going to talk about a technique that I have practiced to make it now a muscle memory for me. It's about reframing the issue. Ask yourself if the same issue can be reframed in a very positive way. Don't focus on the negative aspects, focus on the positive side. Ask the question, for example, what can I learn from this situation? What kind of opportunities does this situation bring to me? So suddenly you have changed something which was probably not such a good thing, a change which happened in your organization, in your relationship, or just something beyond your control like the pandemic. Instead of worrying and stressing over it, ask yourself, what opportunities does this throw up? What learnings does it give to me? So just reframing the question and asking it in a more positive way. By reframing the question, you are seeing the issue in a different perspective and find a way to move forward. In this step, what we do individually is to brainstorm or brainwrite all possible solutions to the issue that is worrying you. Okay, now because you have a different perspective, you are now looking at it as an opportunity. Now you need to write all possible things that can be done or could be done on this topic. Don't qualify them as whether it's doable, not doable, feasible, not feasible. Just write down. The idea here is volume, not quality of your idea. Just fill the notebook with as much ideas as you can bring it down to. In this step, you start now what we call as combining of all these options. Evaluate the options, look at the pros and cons, look at how much it could cost in time, in terms of time and any other investments. how long will it take, the effectiveness which you think of each of them, and start grouping them together, and use process of reduction to bring it down to 3-4 maximum, and even one is okay, but bring it down to a manageable list of options that you can work with now to go forward. The final step, take action. Now go do the things which you wrote down there as the one action that you need to do, or top 3 actions that you need to do. Go do it. Doing actions not only has this ability to solve the problem that you had earlier, it also, by the very nature of taking action, reduces stress. It immediately brings down the stress level as soon as you see yourself take action. In fact, if you see, all the 6 steps are actions. They are actions which you do at a mental level, and then finally here there would be a lot of actions at a physical level. But as you go through these actions, you find your stress level coming down. Not doing anything builds pent up anxiety. Doing something, the very act of doing, reduces anxiety and stress. In conclusion, worrying can be a natural reaction to stress, but it can also be a huge drain on our mental and emotional well-being. By following these steps, you can break the cycle of worry and move forward towards finding solutions to your problem. Remember to identify the source of your worry, take a deep breath, reframe the problem, brainstorm solutions, evaluate your options, and take action. With these tools in your arsenal, you are now ready to stop worrying and start solving the issues that plague your life. Till next week, stay unstoppable.